adventure begins. Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the